calm. What if they've got just a smidgen of ice on the lake this morning?
These smaller ponds up here iced over.
Did you feel me push on the rudder there a little bit?
Yeah, I'm like, why are we turning?
I was centering this right here so we have coordinated flight. If I let off the rudder, it slips over that way a little bit because we're slipping just a little bit. So if I push on the rudder and center that, we get better aerodynamic efficiency.
Oh.
So that's why we turned over that way a little bit. So you can adjust to where you want it.
Back out.
Now we've got some. I've got it. Go ahead. You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Figured if I'm warm, you're probably very warm.
Yeah, getting there. Now we've got some good roads and some nice clearings. Some good dirt roads here, some asphalt roads down here. These roads down here in front of us, however, see the earth banks on the sides? It'd be a little tricky there. Got this road running this way and a bunch of nice clearings. Nice clearing over here. This is a nice area.
If all else fails, we've got the water, right?
Yeah, we don't want to do that. Come back over here and go up that way. Actually, you know what, just keep going straight. I think you're probably taking the wiser route.
Head out more over the highway?
Yeah.
Be a good day for fishing.
You want to make a radio call?
Sure.
Skyhawk 78 Echo over Strawberry Reservoir, 9,500 eastbound. Skyhawk 78 Echo.
Oh, okay. I thought you were wanting me to, okay. Skyhawk 78 Echo. Eastbound. 9,500 over Strawberry Reservoir.
Cool. Stay over here a little bit. Not a lot of water in that reservoir.
Oh.
Oh, it's just smooth up here. That's just beautiful. Oil temp looks good. It finally came up. It takes a while in this cooler air. Oil pressure's still good. Fuel's good. RPM's looking good. I'll lean us out just a little bit more.
Autopilot on?
Nope. Yeah, well, for me it is. You're flying. Is your name Otto?
Yes. I am fantastic auto woman.
Doing a good job keeping us at altitude. You're right on. Does it feel, are you having to put a lot of pressure on it? Does it feel like it's fairly trimmed out so you can get minimal?
It's trimmed out really well.
Okay, good. We've got a left quartering tailwind of, a right quartering tailwind, so of 7 knots, pushing us along. We're doing what? How many knots? How many knots are we doing ground speed? Do you know where to look for that? There's 2 places you can find it. Actually 3, but real ground speed will be on the GPS devices. That one right here.
Oh, okay.
GS ground speed. And right here.
Okay.
This right here. That's RPMs, I'm sorry. This right here would be indicated airspeed, which can actual speed-wise be inaccurate because of changes in altitude and the instrument's ability to measure that airspeed at a different altitude. So that's called indicated airspeed.
Okay.
So here's a we got a 9 knot tailwind now, right quartering tailwind. It's pushing us a little bit that way, but that's okay. So we got Fruitlanders just in front of us. You see the highway?
Yes. Get here and out there.
Carbon County area traffic, sky is 168, Charlie Bravo, 20 miles to the southeast, and we're at 10,500 will be transitioning the area northwestbound, Carbon County. Carbon County traffic, stationer 70594 is 26 miles to the southeast of Price, climbing through 9,000 feet to 9,500 and traveling northwestbound. Duchesne area traffic, Skyhawk 78 Echo is 25 miles to the west of Duchesne, eastbound towards Vernal. Currently 9,400 Duchesne.